Made of aluminum. Capacities: 1.6 Qt, 3.2 Qt, 4.6 Qt. Natural interior finish with mirror-polished exterior and cast aluminum riveted handles. Even heat distribution and oven safe without lid. Easy grip handles and a tight-fitting lid. Used for cooking rice, simmering soups, beans, sauces, stews, baking and more. Ideal for everyday use, especially for Hispanic recipes. The IMUSA Caldero is the workhorse of any Hispanic kitchen due to its versatility and unique design. The Caldero, or cauldron in English, has rounded sides, a tight-fitting lid, and superior heat distribution. Calderos are used to cook rice, beans, braise meat, and simmer stews and soups. Made in Colombia, these traditional calderos will be part of your kitchen for many years to come. The rounded side heat up evenly and quickly, allowing you to cook a variety of different foods. The matching lid is ideal to lock in flavor while cooking, and the caldero can be used as a serving dish after cooking. This caldero, or cauldron, is an excellent addition to any kitchen and is ideal for simmering, braising, boiling, and all sorts of cooking, and features a tight-fitting lid that seals in aromas, flavors, and moisture. This caldero has a natural finish that becomes seasoned after use, imparting more flavors than nonstick pots. Lightweight aluminum construction ensures quick and even heating, plus the open pot is oven-safe for broiling and finishing dishes. Top reviews from the United States. Just the home chef needed. I was looking for aluminum pots to make traditional Puerto Rican rice, and was always told it must be cooked in aluminum pots for best results. I bought these and have not been disappointed. They are sized perfectly for small to large depending on the number of guests. Well made and with proper care they will last a lifetime.